Today our agenda is we are going to learn Pandas data science package. With the help of Pandas data science package, we are reading the real world data set and we are going to do the data analysis on that. So for that purpose, hence the name of our session has been given data analytics. So in our previous session, we learned about NumPy package. And as I told you, once we learn the Python, then we are going to learn the data science packages that we are learning right now. So in the data science packages, as I told you, there are 4 major packages which we have to learn compulsory. First package name is called as NumPy. That in our previous session, we learned one NumPy. NumPy full form is numerical Python, which is basically used for numerical operation in array. Next data science package is Pandas. That today we are going to learn Pandas, and with the help of Pandas, we are going to do the data analysis that I'm going to guide you. Then next package is Matplotlib, which is basically used for data visualization. And then the next package is sklearn and Seaborn. sklearn is a data science packages in which all machine learning algorithm is available. And then Seaborn. So total 5 packages basically. So Seaborn and Matplotlib is used for data visualization. So always remember one thing, whenever we have to do the data analysis of real-time data, so we have to use these data science packages for that purpose. So in my previous session, we studied about NumPy. Today, let's start learning the Pandas. So what do you mean by Pandas? So the main simple definition of a Panda library is Panda is a data science package which is used for data manipulation. That's it. So Panda is used for data manipulation. What do you mean by data manipulation? Whatever the real data we are going to read of any industry, in that data, there are so many errors available. So we are going to remove that error. We are going to change the column, remove the row, and so on. So in this part, Panda is going to help us for doing this data manipulation. So with the help of Panda data science library, we are going to read the data if data is available in PDF format, for example. So we can read the data in PDF format. We can read the data in CSV format. CSV format is look like Excel sheet only, but the full form is comma separated value. Then we are going to read the data in TSV format, tab separated value. Then we can read the data in Excel sheet, Excel format. We can read the data in Word document as well. And we can read the data in JSON file as well. So there are different kind of format available in the real-time world. And on the basis of that real-time format, whatever the format is given to us, Panda is a data science library, Pandas, which is giving us the facility to read the data. Either it is in the PDF format, CSV format, TSV format, Excel sheet format, Word document, JSON, and then XML also one format, and then web scraping also, web scraping. So all ways are available through which we are going to read the real-time data and going to do the data analysis on that. I hope it is clear to all of you. Please let me know, confirm that for what purpose Pandas is used. Is this clear? Okay, so now let's do the practical application of that. So in the practical application, guys, I'm going to guide you that how we are going to use the Pandas package now for reading the different kind of data. So for that purpose, I have prepared a wonderful document for you people. So the thing is, just a second, guys, just a second. Parallelly, please open the Google Colab with me so that I can guide you. Please, guys, I am giving you 2 minutes of time. Open the Google Colab and let me know once you open the Google Colab. I am giving you 2 minutes of So I already prepared the one document for you people related to pandas. So concentrate carefully. Check it, guys. I am going to share this document with you people. So if you see my folder, in that pandas CSV file read is one folder where I have prepared the Jupyter notebook where we are going to read CSV data, then Excel file read, then JSON file read, PDF, web scraping, Word document, zip file, and so on. So with the help of Panda package, as I told you, we are going to read the real world data. So first I am going to guide you how to read the data with the help of CSV file format and do the data manipulation on that. So let's check that. So I am going to open Panda CSV format. Let's check it. I'm giving you 2 minutes of time. You parallelly please open the Jupyter notebook. Okay. Now please concentrate again. As I told you that we are going to collect the data from the real-time world. In that we are collecting the data in the form of text, images, number, video, and other. After collecting this data, might be possible that data is stored in Word document, Excel sheet, CSV, TSV, PDF, and JSON. So as I guide you that we are going to use the pandas package today, from which we are going to do the data manipulation for the real-time data. And for that purpose, concentrate carefully how to use that now. So Panda is working on data frame now. That means main function of the Panda is data manipulation. For that purpose, Panda required data frame. How data frame we are creating? Very simple. Whatever the real world data available in any format, for example, CSV format. So we will read that CSV format and convert that CSV format to data frame with the help of Panda package. So let's see how I am going to read the real-time data and do the data manipulation on that. So step by step, I am guiding you right now. So for that purpose, we have to import the pandas package as PD. So PD is nothing but it's just like a nickname of pandas. So whenever I want to use pandas package, instead of writing complete word as a pandas, we are going to write down PD word. So I am executing this import pandas as PD. It will take some time for execution. Wait for a moment. So once we import the pandas package, now pandas package has been imported successfully. In the very next line, with the help of Panda package, we are going to read the data in the different format. So as I am using the Google Colab, I'm going to read this data, movie classification.csv. So first of all, I need to upload that data in the runtime. So in the Google Colab on the left hand side, there is one file icon option is there. Please click on that because I have to upload the data first. And I'm going to upload the data from the location of that data. So the location is in my desktop. I'm going to select that data and I'm going to open that. Click on OK. So data set is get uploaded here in the Google Colab. Once the data set is uploaded, so on the right side of the data set, there are 3 dots. Click on that and copy the path. After that, that path I am going to paste it here. Like this. I can remove this header equal to 0. So in this way, I am just pasting my path of my data set under the instruction called as PD. PD means pandas. PD.read underscore CSV. And I'm reading the file. This file is a real-time data. I will read this file and it is converted to data frame and given to the variable called as DF. Now I'm executing this line. So your data set is converted to data frame now. This DF is called as a data frame now. Okay. Now when I will read this data frame, so it will look like this. Check it. Data frame is look like this. So that entire data now is available here. Now see, this is the data of movie under movie classification. That means this is the data set of entertainment industry. What is the marketing expense of that movie, which is present at 0 number row. Name of movie is not given. But imagine some movie is there whose marketing expense is this much, production expense is this much, multiplex coverage is this much, and so on. So in this way, just right now in the front of you, we have read the data from the CSV format, .csv file. Okay. Is this clear to everyone? Please tell me so that I can guide you. And if you anyone want repetition, I will repeat also. Please tell me. Okay. I will repeat again. Okay. So what we are learning, guys, we are learning pandas. This pandas is used for data manipulation. So Panda is a data science package, DSP, data science package. Panda is that. So with the help of these data science packages like Panda, we are going to read the data, either it is in PDF format, CSV format, TSV format, Excel sheet, and so on. After reading this data, we are converting this data to data frame with the help of Panda library. So it is converted to data frame, guys. Data frame. So what is data frame? This is the data frame which just I have shown you right now. So Panda is helping us to read the data in this given format and convert the data to data frame. And then we are going to read the data frame and do the following operations. So let's check it. I'm going to practical file now. I'm importing the pandas package like that. Import pandas as PD. Run this instruction. After that, as panda is available in the variable called PD now, that is a nickname only. So now I'm writing pd.read underscore CSV because my data is in the CSV format in the desktop. So how to read this data? So first of all, I will upload the data in the Google Colab. So I will go to this file option and there is a upload option available. So click on this upload option and go to the location wherever data set is available. So I'm going to that location and I will select that data set and open that. So that data set will get uploaded here. After that, I will click on this 3 dot and I will copy the path of that data set. I have copied the path now. And then whatever the path I have copied, I will paste the path here. So that is that path. So the moment I'm giving the path, now I'm going to read this with the help of pandas package. So the right hand side is indicating that please read this CSV file format with panda package. The location of the CSV file is this. After reading this CSV data, give this data to the data frame DF. Once entire data set is given to DF, now I'm going to check what is this DF about. So when I will execute this, so I got this same data which is available in movie classification CSV data. So in this way, we are reading the data available in the CSV format. Up to this, it is clear or not, so that I can guide you further. Please tell me, it is clear, everyone? Okay, great. I am going to share all this data with you people. Don't worry about that. Now the same cheese, I am going to Google Colab now. I am going to upload. If suppose my data is in Excel format, Excel. So I am going to read the data available in the Excel format. So let's check it. Okay, now please concentrate carefully. Now someone has given us data, but that data is available in Excel format. So same thing I am going to do. First, I am going to import pandas package. So import pandas as PD. So when the pandas package is imported, so as I know that my data set is in the Excel format, so the instruction will become right that pd.read underscore Excel. If it is PDF, then instead of Excel, I will write down PDF. If it is Word, instead of Excel, I will write down Word, and so on. So whatever the format is given to us, Panda is going to write down like this: pd.read underscore PDF if data is in PDF format, pd.read underscore Excel if data is in Excel format, and so on. So this Excel sheet is available in my desktop. So I am going to upload that Excel sheet first in Google Colab. So I will click on upload and I will click on this Excel sheet, and Excel sheet is get uploaded now. This is that Excel sheet. Then I will click this three dot of Excel sheet. I will copy the path, and whatever data is available in the Excel sheet, it will read with the help of Panda. I'm providing the path of Excel sheet. So what is happening here? Panda package is reading the data available in the Excel sheet and it is giving to the data frame like this. Now I'm executing this. So that data is available in data frame, and now I'm checking that data frame. So this is that Excel sheet data. This is the Excel sheet data that we have just read with the help of Pandas package. I hope it is clear to you. So whatever the format is given to us, just we are reading that data set with the help of Panda package in the given format. Up to this, any doubt, please ask me. I am taking the 2 minutes of time. Please check it and ask me any doubt if possible. I am giving you 2 minutes of time. Okay, I guess there is no more doubt. So what I will do that now I am going to guide you one very interesting thing that is applicable to all of you now. Please let me know your branches in the chat window, guys. From which branch you belong, accordingly, I will guide you further. Because it is very important for me to know that you belong to which branch. Please write down in the chat window. Then I will guide you what to do. Great. Majority people are belong to CSC branch. Some are from the electronics and telecommunication. Some are from BSc background and so on. So please concentrate carefully what I am guiding you right now. So if you will see my screen, in my screen, I have read the data set belonging to entertainment industry, movie data. So what I want to say is that I request all of you to open the account in Kaggle website, Kaggle. Okay, Kaggle website. So the moment we will go to Kaggle website, so in the Kaggle website, we are having the data set related to every branches. Either you belong to ECE branch, CSV branch, any branch, whatever the data set you want, that data set is available in the Kaggle website. So what you have to do, guys, please check any kind of problem statement related to the computer science branch, electronics branch, AIML branch, and so on. So AIML branch is good. That means they can read any kind of data. Those are from the CSC and so on. So we will download the data according to the branches. One example I am giving, if you want to work on your own branch data. Otherwise, we can work on any kind of data. I am guiding you that any kind of data. Don't worry about that. So from the Kaggle website, download the CSV data related to your branch and save in the desktop. Okay. So let's assume that you have downloaded the one data set related to your branch in the CSV format in the desktop. Now, I am guiding you further how to do the data analysis on your own branch data. Either you are from mechanical or anything. So please concentrate carefully. I am guiding you now in the general term. Parallelly, what you have to do after my session today, download the data set related to your own domain. And then with the help of pandas package, read those data and perform that operation which I am guiding you right now. So please concentrate carefully. So the moment I have imported the panda package and I have read the data set which is available in CSV format, and I have converted that data set into the data frame. Okay, this is the data frame DF. Now I am checking the data frame. So that data frame is giving the entire data to me, which is available in this movie classification.csv. So data set is in front of me. Check it. This is the data set, guys. This is the data set. Now in this data set, now I am going to perform n number of operations. So please concentrate what are those operations. Now this data set is very big. It starts from 0th row and it is going up to 505 row. So total number of row in this data set is 506. But some middle row, it is not visible to us. And the data set is very big. So what we have to do, we have to read the first 5 row of the data set like this. We can do anything. That means we can read the first 5 row, first 10 row, first 50 row, and so on. So general practice said that with the help of this method, data frame df.head, please write down like this. And then when we will run this instruction, it will give the first 5 row of your data. Why we are doing so? Because we are just exploring the data. We just want first 5 row, which is enough for exploring the data. So with the help of this head method, we are reading this data. Sorry. Now, if I will write 10 here, so instead of 5, it will read the first 10 rows of the data. Check it. It will read the first 10 row of the data. So with the help of df.head method, if I am not writing any number, so by default, it will read first 5 row of the data. But if I am writing any number here, for example, 15, So it will read the first 15 rows of the data. So this is the meaning of df.head. Head means read the first X rows of the data. The same thing, if I want to read the last 5 row of the data, I will write down df.tail, Tail, and I will run this instruction. So the moment we are running this instruction, that pandas data frame is reading the last 5 row of the data. Same thing, if I will write down here 10, some number, so instead of 5, it will read the 10 row, that too from last. So it will read the last 10 rows of the data. Last 10 rows of the data. Okay. So this is the meaning of df.tail. After that, if I want to read any random data from the data set, so I am writing df, that is data frame dot sample. And if I will run this instruction, so out of 506 row, it will read any random row. So it has read 426 number row in front of us. Suppose I am writing here 5. So it will read 5 random rows from the data. Check it. This is the 5 random rows from the data. Okay. So sample, again I am running. So next another 5 row it will read. Check it. So sample means read any random row from the data. And if I am writing 5, so it is going to read any 5 random rows from the data. This is the meaning of sample. So in this data set, suppose I want to know how many rows and columns are present, then I am going to use this instruction, df.shape. So this instruction is telling us that in the data frame df, there are 506 rows and the 19 column. Check it. This is 506 rows and 19 column. So df.shape instruction is giving this information to us. After that, if you will observe, this answer 506, 19, that too it is inside the parenthesis, it is a tuple. If you remember, it is a tuple data type. Remember guys? Now, in this tuple data type, the first number is 506, which is row, and 19 is column. So if I only want to read the row, what I will write down, df.shape square bracket and index number of 506 we are going to write down, that is 0. So when you will run this, it will give only total number of rows. And 19 index number is 1. When I am going to run this, it is going total number of columns. Okay. So in this way, we are reading the number of rows and the column from the data set. Now, if we want to know the column names present in the data set, column name, marketing expense, production expense, this. So just write down like that, df.columns. So it is going to give us total number of column present in the data. Total number of column present in the data. These are the column names. Total 19 columns present in our data. Once we did that, if we want to know what are the data available in that column and what is the data type of that. So let's check that. This is our data set. So marketing expense data is available like this, 62.98, 20.6098 like this. Production expense data is again in the decimal point, 94.16, 62.56 like this. So if we will check all the column, so column is filled with some data. So some column is having non-numerical data also. Check it. 3D underscore available. So it is in non-numerical data. Yes, no, yes, no. Genre, non-numerical data, comedy, thriller, action, and so on. So what we want to check it, what is the data type of this data which this column is storing? Column is having some data now. Just we want to know what is the data type of that. So we are using this instruction df.dtype. So dtype means what is the data type of all the column. So when I'm running this instruction, so it will give all the column name along with the data type of those column. So check it. Marketing expense is the name of column and the data available inside the marketing expense is a floating data. Hence it is written here float 64. Okay. Float 64. So what I am going to do, I am going to give you 2 minutes of time now. Please explore this, what we are doing here. This is called as data exploration. and check it. Okay. So df.sample, df.shape, df.dtype, and I'm writing this in the chat window. The meaning is df.head. Okay. Just a second. I am giving you just 2 minutes of time. Explore this now. Very important. I am going to explain each and everything. Don't worry. Just right now I'm exploring you people that what is this about and so on. Just take a 2 minute break. Okay. And then I'm going to guide you what is the Kaggle about. So this is the instruction. Okay. df.shape, df.column, df.dtype. I'm taking 2 minutes of pause here because you can note down this. Understood, guys? This process is called as data exploration in the Panda. Okay, this is a data exploration. Always remember that. And I am going to give this data, but what I am guiding you guys, please concentrate carefully, very important. Please open the account in Kaggle website. Okay, for example, do one thing. Go to Google, those who belong to mechanical engineering. So there is one data set in the Kaggle. For example, car price prediction data set. Check it. Car price prediction data set. This belong to mechanical engineering. So if you will just write down car price prediction, so see on the top Kaggle is written Kaggle. Or you can write down like this also. Car price prediction data set. Okay. It will give this link to you. Go to that data set. Okay. Go to the Kaggle website, and on the top of that, you will find a download option. See, download, and it is written 19 KB. So download that. So that given data set will download, but before that, you have to log into the Kaggle. I have already made the account in Kaggle. So I'm logging to the Kaggle website. The moment I will log into the Kaggle website and this homepage will open, so I will download the dataset related to mechanical engineering, that is car price prediction. And that dataset is downloaded. And you can save that dataset, and whatever the dataset you have downloaded, guys, related to mechanical engineering, same process you have to apply with this, what I am guiding you today. That means this one. So pd.read_CSV, we are going to read the car website data also. Okay. So let's check that. I am going to guide you how to read the car data set. So let's check that. So I am writing in this way. pd.read_CSV, that we are giving to the data frame. Now I am giving the data frame as a df1, and that data set just right now we have downloaded. Okay, that data set is in data cleaning workshop folder. Okay. So let's check that. I am just reading in front of you. I am going to upload that data set. Car price prediction data set. Okay, I'm uploading that data. Data set gets uploaded. I will copy the path of that data set and I will paste here. So in this way, you all have to read the data set related to any branch. So I will execute this instruction now. Now we have executed that, some error came. Okay, I have done mistake. CSV, it should be CSV. Execute that. It get executed. Then I'm reading what is this data frame df1. So it will give me car price prediction data. Check it. Now this is the car price prediction data. These are the column related to car price prediction and so on. So in this way, we can read the data set of any industry, guys. Any industry. Is this clear or not? How to download the data set from the Kaggle and how to read this data. Please check it. Are you getting that? Someone has sent some link to me. I am opening that link. Yes, climate change indicator. Very good. Very good. I really appreciate you. So in this way, we can read the data set. I must appreciate you. What is your good name? Zoro593. What is your good name? I will take your name in front of everyone so that I can appreciate you. Very good. So Zoro Manoj. So Manoj, wonderful job you have done. So with the help of Panda package, we can read any data. So Manoj has read this data. Manoj has sent the link to me. Manoj has read this data. So I have also read this data set of the entertainment industry. Now just I have guided the data set of car industry, car price prediction and so on. So the thing is, what we are doing right now, this is called as a data exploration. Reading the first 5 row of the data, first 15 row of the data. Reading the reading the last 5 row of the data, last 10 rows of the data, or anything can be done with the help of tail. Reading random rows from the data is done by sample. df.shape is giving the instruction how many rows and columns are present in the data. df.columns is giving the name of all the column. df.dtype is giving the name of the column along with the data type of those columns. Now after that, we are having one more instruction that is called as df.info. When we will execute this instruction, so this instruction will give you one additional information. It will give the name of column, data type of the column, and that additional information is this. In the marketing expense column, there are 506 rows, and it is telling that all the 506 rows are filled with the data. Non-null count. Non-null count means all the non-null value present in the data. So it is written 506. So it indicates that all 506 values are present in the marketing expense column. All values are present, guys. Okay. So in this way, we are doing this. So all the column name has been given and the data type has been given here. And if you will check column by column wise, so one column is available time underscore taken column where only 494 rows are showing. That is data. Original number of data are 506. In that only 494 is present. So it indicates that in this time underscore taken column, some values are missing. So this df.info is useful for that also. Okay, is useful for that as well. So the moment we will did that, so there is one instruction called as data frame dot is null dot sum. When we will execute this instruction, so this instruction will give you how many missing value present in your data set. How many missing values present in your data set. So the moment we will run this instruction, this is the answer given to us. That means in the marketing expense column, there is no missing value. In the production expense column, there is no missing value. Like this, if you will go and check the time underscore taken column, there are 12 missing values. So it indicates that we have to treat this missing value. There are 12 missing values present in the time underscore taken column. So like this, we can check in any data set how many missing values present in those data set. Are you getting, guys? Is this clear? Please tell me. Does I am going fast or speed is good? Please guide me, guys. Are you getting clearly? My voice is clear, all of you? Very good. And I am going to share this file with you people. Don't worry. I am going to share this file with you people. Okay. Now, if I want to read the data of any column, let's take an example. This is our data frame. And I want to read the data of budget column. So I will write down like this in front of you. I will write down the data frame now df. I will write down dot and I will write down the name of that column budget. Check it, budget. df dot budget. And I will execute that. So the moment I will run this, so all the values of df dot budget appears here. So in this way, you can read the data of any column. If I want to read, for example, movie length data. Okay. So I am going to write down like this df dot and then I will check that movies length. I will select movies length and I will execute that. So movie length data is appear in front of you. So how to select the column, how to check the missing value from the data that we have done. Okay. Is this clear, guys? Please tell me, is this clear? How to check the column data now. After that, we will go slowly. Okay. So the moment we had that column data, now we will go for how to check descriptive statistics of all the column. Descriptive statistics means what is the mean, median, mode, and so on. So for that purpose, there is one instruction called as df.describe. So what df.describe will do, this is that instruction. I am executing this instruction in front of you. So df.describe instruction is giving us all the numerical column statistics in front of us. All the numerical column. So what is present in the numerical column? In this numerical column, in the marketing expense, descriptive statistics is giving the information. How many data available in the marketing expense column? So 506 data. What is the average of all those data? This is the average of marketing expense. What is the standard deviation of those data? What is the minimum value of those data? What is the 25th percentile value? 50 percentile value? 75th percentile value? What is the maximum value of marketing expense column and so on? So in this way, all the descriptive statistics analysis is in front of us. Okay. Just by running one instruction, df.describe. So df.describe is giving us facility to know descriptive statistics of the data. And in the descriptive statistics, what information we are getting? We are getting the information what is the average of column, what is the standard deviation, minimum value, maximum value, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, and so on. So please check this. I am giving you 2 minutes of time. Please check this and I will get back to you. I am giving you 2 minutes of time. Explore this data. I hope that you understood this descriptive statistics of the given data. So the guys, now you have seen that with the help of pandas library, we are doing the data exploration and then we can do the data manipulation as well. For example, let's check that. In this data, originally there were 19 column present, guys, 19 column. Okay. And these are the name of all those columns which we have read already. Name of these columns are like this. Total 19 columns are there. Now I want to create 20 column. New column I have to create. And that new column name is df, whatever the name we have to give. Please suggest one name for the new column. Suggest the one name for new column. I will guide you how to create the new column. Okay. Suggest one name of new column. I will tell you how to create a new column in this 19 column. And then there are 20 column will be there. Suggest any new name of the column. Date. So someone is selling sales. So I am writing the name is date, for example. Okay. The name of new column is date. Concentrate carefully. Date. This is the name of new column we have created. And the value of this column is nothing but addition of average actor, average age of the actor, or any two value. We can check that the new column value will be addition of marketing expense column and production expense column, addition of both. So what I will do, I am writing like that. DF square bracket, and I will copy the marketing expense column and pasting here. Then I am writing plus. Then DF square bracket, and I'm copying the production expense column and pasting here. So it indicates that marketing expense column I am adding with production expense column. Whatever the value will come is given to new column. We are creating new column with the name date and I'm executing that. So if you will check the column now df dot head, so you will find that one new column has been created, date. At the end, check it, date, which is nothing but addition of marketing expense column and production expense. So check it. Marketing expense column first value is 20.12. Product expense is 59.62. Add both. And if you will check that, addition will be 79.74. So in this way, I can create a data set and I can do the data manipulation. Okay. We are manipulating the data. Are you getting, guys? I can change the name of column also. I can replace the column. I can delete the column. Anything I can do. So all this operation we can do with the help of Panda. Panda is used for data manipulation. Always remember, guys. Is this clear to all of you? Please tell me, is this clear? Everyone? Great. So what I am going to do, how to delete a row or column? Very easy. Very, very easy. How to delete the number of rows and the column and so on. So if suppose, let's take an example. There are so many methods in the Panda. If you want to know cheat sheet in the Panda, cheat sheet, write down in the Google cheat sheet in the Panda, cheat sheet pandas, like that. So you will get cheat sheet of the Panda. In that, all the majority operation information is given to us. What to do, what not to do, and so on. Check it. Cheat sheet of the Panda. These are the cheat sheet of the Panda. Check it, guys. Okay. So with the available of this cheat sheet, see here it is written df.drop. If you want to drop any column, check it. Okay. I am just writing in front of you with the help of cheat sheet. Someone asked me how to drop the column. So I am coming here with the data set and I am writing in front of you. Check it, guys. Just a second. I am showing you that. Suppose I want to drop marketing expense column. So check it. I'm going to write down like this. df.drop parenthesis columns assignment operator. Okay. And then I am going to write down column name marketing expense. Okay. I will copy that marketing expense. As it is, we want to write down. expense. And we can run this instruction. So it will drop that column. See, the moment I'm running this instruction, marketing expense column has been dropped. Check it. So in this way, we can remove the column. Are you getting now? Are you getting everyone? So we can perform n number of operations. We can add new column. We can delete the existing column. We can change the name of column. We can do data manipulation. So this operation is called as data manipulation with the help of pandas package. Okay. Great. So what we will do in the next session, now we are going to learn the data cleaning part. And then I will proceed further. Okay. Great. So that's all from my side for the today's session. We will meet in the next session on Tuesday, and we will learn data cleaning part. Is this clear? Okay, guys. So keep learning and the happy learning, because today we have learned a lot. That's what I'm not going ahead. Okay. Otherwise, you will get confused. Good. I will share the data. Don't worry. I will share the data with Blackbook. They will going to send you via email.